Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Second article heading is provocation trap. सेकेंड आर्टिकल आएगा, फर्स्ट आर्टिकल डिस्कस हो चुका है. अब सेकेंड आर्टिकल 80 वर्ड पर मिनट स्पीड. वी रेडी? स्टार्ट. द रॉकेट अटैक्स ऑन द US embassy in Baghdad on Sunday, which American military leaders called the largest attack on the highly fortified green zone in a decade, have sent tensions in the region soaring. President Donald Trump and senior leaders of the administration have pointed to Iran, saying that it supplied the rockets. The offensive appears to have been countered by the USA's radar-guided defensive system. Mr. Trump has warned that he would hold Iran responsible if one American is killed. The attack comes at a volatile time for Iran-American relations, which have collapsed after Mr. Trump took the US out of the Iran nuclear deal unilaterally in 2018 and reimposed sanctions. He had reportedly sought options to launch strikes on Iran immediately after his election defeat, but was dissuaded by cabinet colleagues. With his exit soon from the White House and Joe Biden, the next president, promising to revive the nuclear deal, there is a window of opportunity to restart the diplomatic process. But attacks like this threaten to push both the countries into an open conflict. When the US killed top Iranian General Qasem Soleimani in January this year, American officials claimed that the drone strike in the Iraqi capital had re-established America's deterrence, but Iran had launched retaliatory missile attacks on US military camps in Iraq, wounding several soldiers, and since then pro-Iran Shia militias in Iraq have launched missile attacks at the Green Zone that houses the embassy and rapidly targeted American supply lines inside Iraq. The US had earlier downsized its embassy staff, closed the consulate in Basra, and decided to reduce troops in Iraq. If US Iran relations are now at an explosive stage, the primary responsibility lies with Mr. Trump. His actions derailed a functioning international deal, and his maximum pressure campaign turned an Iran fully compliant with the deal's terms more dangerous. Besides targeting the American embassy, Iran directly or through proxies had attacked oil facilities and tankers in the Gulf over the past 2 years. Earlier this month, a tanker of Zayed was attacked allegedly by the Iran-backed Houthi rebel of Yemen. Iran is under pressure to counter the repeated attempts by the US and its allies to scuttle its influence. Late last, Mohsin Farizadeh, a top scientist, was killed inside Iran allegedly by Israel agents. But in a quest for revenge, Iran should not sleepwalk into the trap of provocation. Under any circumstance, attacks on diplomatic missions cannot be accepted. It should rein in the militia groups in Iraq that it supporters. It must give the Biden administration to chance a reboot diplomacy which is in the larger interests of Tehran as well as the wider West Asia. फुल स्टॉप। स्टूडेंट ये आपके 460 वर्ड है और 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स है। जो बच्चे 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स डिक्टेशन लिखते हैं, इस डिक्टेशन को लिखिए और इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप नोट पैड में कीजिए और आपकी जो मिस्टेक आती है और इसको मैच कीजिए। मैच करने के बाद आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए कि इसमें हमारी सर 2% मिस्टेक है, 3% मिस्टेक आई है। इसमें काफ़ी नहीं, मतलब 8 से 10 वर्ड हैं जो आपके लिए न्यू है, नहीं तो सारे वर्ड आप इसमें बना सकते हो। ओके, जैसे वाउंडिंग हो गया, वाउंडिंग हो गया, डाउन साइज्ड, बैसरा, कंसुलेट, ये आपके न्यू वर्ड हो सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।